How to initial sign in to FMS as a new customer. Upon purchasing TruckX services, the first step is initial sign in to FMS. This involves becoming an admin on the Fleet Management System, FMS, by undergoing the registration process, which provides access to the full range of available services. Let's now proceed with the admin registration process. Visit truckx.com. Click on the Login button. Click on Sign Up here. You will be redirected to the Fleet Management Admin Registration page. Enter your personal information and password for future login. Provide company information, including DOT number and customer or subscription ID, and click Next to proceed. To obtain the customer or subscription ID, please check your email, as after purchasing an account, the subscription ID will be sent to your registered email. You can also contact the customer success team to request the ID. After successful registration, you can now log in to the Fleet Management System, FMS.